I made a video where I made this turkey broth and today I'm canning it. To start, I need to reheat the broth, and while that's going, I double checked how long I'm processing this for. I got out my canner to warm up jars, so we started by adding water to the canner. I set its canning time and added my jars into the can time. Now, because I am pressure canning this, I'm taking the jars out of the canner and dumping the water out in the sink. If I was water bath canning, I would have dumped the water back into the canner, but because broth is a low acid food, I'm pressure canning it. So I'm filling up each quart jar with broth, leaving an inch of headspace. I wipe the rims with white vinegar to get any food or greasy fat off so I get good seals, and I also add a splash of vinegar into the canner to keep the jars from getting cloudy while processing. Next, I add the lids and bands, making sure the bands are only fingertip tight, and then I'm ready to get them into the canner. These will process for 25 minutes after the canner vents and gets up to pressure, but I actually had to do 2 batches. So the first batch was 5 quarts, and then I got another 4 quarts. Also, every single jar sealed, which is amazing for me.